Much love, family, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking all things washing your locks and all things shampoos, what shampoos I'm using, what shampoos I used to use, all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I guess we'll start off with the shampoos, the product first, and then we'll get into my wash routine. The product, I feel like it's going to be kind of short. I have not used that many shampoos. I've been locked for about over a year and a half, so about 19-20 months, something like that. And I started off using what I had on hand, which was some Shea Moisture. And I don't have the bottles any longer, so when I'm talking about the poos and I don't have the bottles, I'll just put you a picture here or here, something like that. Started off with was Shea Moisture Moisture Retention, and it's what I used as a loose natural. It's what I used on my children, and I had an abundance of it because my friend got a deal, and so she had bought me like a few of the full Shea Moisture lines. So I had the full line, the shampoo, the conditioner, the mask, all of that good stuff. So for my locks though, I just used the shampoo. Loved it, still love it. It's very, very moisture rich, like it says, moisture retention. So if you're having dry hair issues, it helps. I just really like it. Now, once I was done, when I'm done with, I like to use one and then go to the next. I don't like to have like 4 shampoos in my shower or anything like that. I like us all to use them, me and my children to use it. When it's done, I go to the next one. And I might go back to that one, if I loved it, or in this case, I had others to try, so I try something else. So with that one, loved it. Shea Moisture, Moisture Retention, definitely recommend it, especially for dry heads. The next one I used was Shea Moisture. I'm going to say the name wrong, but when I put the picture here, you will see it. It's like a fruit something, fruit extract, something or other. Smells amazing, smells really, really good. But I didn't love it. I didn't hate it. And I used it because I had the bottle. It didn't do anything terrible to my hair or anything like that, but I just didn't love it. So once that was gone, I was like, for sure, I will not get this one again. Again, didn't hate it, but didn't love it either. And after that one, or in between that one, I had the Shea Moisture Tea Tree. It's like a tea tree. Oh no, is it black soap? Anyways, again, you will see the picture so you will know what I'm talking about. I did not like that one. I did not like that one as a loose natural either. It just didn't do anything for me or for my children's hair. It's just like putting lotion or something on your hair. It just kind of sits there. Same with the conditioner, same with the mask. I did not like any of that line. So I didn't even finish using it. I think I gave it away or tossed it or something like that. So I just use that. And I generally, if I don't like something right off, unless it like really damages my hair or damages my kids' hair or something like that, then I will try it again, because you don't know, what condition your hair is in, different times, different days, that kind of thing. But for that one, for sure, I just, completely cut it off. It was pretty awful for our heads. So that was a no-go. Okay, so when I was loose natural as well, I used Dr. Bronner's. We use this for head to toe. It's the Baby Mild, and we use it diluted, and I started using the Baby Mild when the kids were babies and just kept with it. I really like it. It's a mild soap, but it works for body, hair, face, all that good stuff. Now, when I was loose natural, I did not like it in my hair, so I stopped using it. For my daughter's hair, okay. When she was locked, I really liked it. When she wasn't locked, not so great. So if we ran out of shampoos or was in between, I have used this. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's just kind of like a, something to use if you don't have anything else. But it's definitely not too drying or stripping or anything like that. Okay, so after those, I asked for some recommendations, and I got some really great recommendations. I'm going to put it up here on the screen. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you recommending these, because now I absolutely love it. And it was the Tea Tree Tingle. Comes from Trader Joe's, super economical, great ingredients on it. I mean, I'm sure you're probably not gonna be able to read all that or focus, but great ingredients on it. Love it. It works. When I first used it, I was like, let me see if I really love it. And I shampoo my hair like 2-3 times when I'm in the shower. Shampooed it again, left it. And when I'm using a new shampoo as well, I won't put anything on my hair right after the shower, just so I can see how the shampoo does on its own. And it was great. Excuse me. Sorry about that. It was great. So this is an empty bottle. I put some water in here because I need to go get another one. That's just some water. My kids use it. It's great. I use it. It's great. Just enough tingle, not too much. We use it for our salt scrub. I'll just mix it with the salt and use it. Love it. We'll definitely buy it again when I go to the store. I'm going to grab a bottle. Okay, so the next one was another recommendation. Thank you again. And they recommended the triple treat, but I still have not gotten the triple treat. When I got this, it was during the time where I was only ordering products and groceries. I wasn't going in any stores because of Rona, and I ordered the mini bottle because this is a little bit more pricey, so I wanted to make sure that I would be able to use it, my children would be able to use it before getting the big bottle. But they didn't have triple treat. I have not seen triple treat in the store since. I'm still trying to get it, but I got the 50/50 just to try out because they did recommend me Giovanni. Oh, and I must say, for all our shampoos and stuff, I like to get ones that are not tested on animals, no animal products, and as natural as possible. That's what I'm always looking for with any product that I'm putting on our body, hair, etc., etc. So this one, again, good ingredients, Leaping Bunny certified, but I did not like it at all. Matter of fact, when I used it on my hair, and if I can remember the video, I will put the video here where I washed my hair with this, and I felt like it was squeaky clean, like my hair was actually squeaking. Just too clean, very dry, very stripped down. So perhaps if you are trying to, purify your hair or something like that, you might want to try it. And I know some people love it, everyone's different. But for me, and it says hydrating and clarifying, both. But I didn't get the hydrating, I just got the clarifying part of it. But so I won't use it again. I haven't tried it on my children yet. I will. But yeah, that was a no-go for me. So what I'm going to continue to use from here on out is I will grab another bottle of this and continue to use it. And then I will probably try the Giovanni Triple Treat when I find it and try that as well. And that's how I'll continue on. I don't feel the need to, keep trying other shampoos and things. I only kind of did that in the beginning because I had some from my friend. The moisture retention, if I do feel like go through a dry season, and I don't mean season the atmosphere, but my hair goes through a dry season, then perhaps I will grab that Shea Moisture retention again. But otherwise, I'm going to stick with that. And then I'll try the triple treat. But that's it for the shampoos or poos. I guess I should also say here, I did mention we do scalp scrubs. I do scalp scrubs, so I'll mix whatever shampoo I'm using with my sea salt and oils and stuff. If I haven't already, I will link it above. And then I also do tea rinses. I will link that above so this video doesn't get super duper long. You can see how I do my tea rinse in there as well. Those are two things I do to maintain the health of my hair and of my scalp. So now I guess we can chat about like my routine, what my routine is. So for my routine, and it's pretty much, I want to say it's been the same my entire, since I've been locked. Maybe a little bit different during the summer, and during hot times I add in even more washes. But I have always washed. My leg is itching. The mosquitoes are biting me up, so I'm putting tea tree on them and stuff. But I'm scratching my leg. Anywho, so other than that, I wash as needed. I'm not on a schedule. I'm not like I wash every week, every 2 weeks, every month. I wash as needed. If my hair is feeling more dirty, my scalp is feeling more dirty, I'm more sweaty, it's hotter, I've been in the beach, I've been in the pool, something like that, then I will just wash. I wash as needed. Generally, that comes out to 2-3 times a week during like a very busy, swimming, hiking kind of in the summertime, down to, I guess you want to say wintertime, not so busy, not so many activities, down to 2-3 times a month. So anywhere in between then, it's just as needed. And then most of the time I am washing and not retwisting. I retwist about every 3 months. Again, it's as needed as I see fit. That usually comes out to 3 months. Sometimes it's 2 months, usually it's 3 months. So when I'm washing, I'm not washing and retwisting. I'm just washing, and I will go through and pop my locks if needed. Sometimes it doesn't even need that, and then I go on about my business. And I don't always put something on after I wash. I will wash and then leave it be. I don't feel like I need anything. Sometimes I'll do a nice little massage with some oils on my scalp, just because it feels good and for growth and all that good stuff. But like putting on my hair like a leave-in or something like that, for me it's not needed. So most times I'm washing, popping locks, moving on, and that's it. I keep things super duper simple. I guess I will show, you guys have seen it a million times, but I will show you my spray and oil that I use mostly too. Let me grab that. So most of the time I'm just using rose water, and I'll put a link above to how I make my rose water. But I bought the one that came in this bottle. I forget the name of it, but then I just make my own in here. So I will use that, and a little coconut. Use this from head to toe, and sometimes some essential oils or whatnot. I just put this on my bug bites, you guys. And I know they say always use your essential oils in a carrier oil or diluted in water, which I do, except for when I'm putting them on my bug bites. I'm not recommending it or not, but I tell you, it stops the itch. I just put a little bit of this right on. If I have lavender, I don't have lavender right now, I put that on too. Put it straight up and it stops the itch right away. Anywho, I think that's it. I think that is all I have to tell you about my routine and about my products. If I didn't say it already, maybe I did say it at the beginning. I hope I did. If not, the idea for this video was recommended to me, so I'm going to put who recommended it to me up here. Thank you so much, because it was a great idea, and as I thought about it, I was like, why have I not done that before? That could be really helpful for someone else as they go along their journey and they're searching for what to do, what to use. I should share what I've done. All right, you guys, so that is it. Definitely leave me any questions or comments you have down below, or if you just want to say hey, leave me that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right, bye.